It's Taja Simone. You already know I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm finna make some temporary hair dye, and then I'm going to put it in my hair. And I really don't know how this is gonna be. I'm finna pray for the best. So let's just get into the video.
The highest level, nigga. Bitch, I'm shit. Feel me? The niggas ain't this. Feel me?
Alright, so what you gonna need? You gonna need some eyeshadow, like loose powder, chopped up. I chopped this up. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. We're gonna see. And then you need like some type of cream, curling cream, some of your choice. I'm gonna use this Silky Curls Moisturizer, Shea Miracle, whatever. I'm gonna use this. And then you're gonna need like a container and something to mix it with. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so first thing you do, this is like almost empty, that's why I'm using it. You're gonna try like spray some. Bruh, this is gonna kill me. Let me take the top off because this is not gonna come out. While I get this out, I'm gonna take like a quick intermission. Alright, so this is all that came out. Like, so we finna make this work because we're not trying to cover our whole head. That's just crazy. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this eyeshadow and I'm finna just pour it in here. And I think like your goal is to have like more eyeshadow or more color than product, so that way the color can be like, you know, more vibrant and all of that. So yeah, you finna mix this. I don't know if this gonna work. We're gonna need some more color for sure. Probably some more cream too, cause like thinking about this, how much is this gonna cover? Not lie. Yeah, it's not gonna cover a lot, and it's not gonna be that. You're not gonna barely be able to see it either, cause it's not that dark. Like, look, it's not that dark. We need it like, I don't know. I'm gonna go figure this out. Alright, so I've been mixing. It's like still not that dark. I don't know. So I'm finna add some more eyeshadow. These are our blues. So yeah, it's funny because I really did I always wanted blue hair, but can't never dye my hair. So I'm finna take some of this with this knife, scrape it in here, and we're gonna see. Now I put the color in here and mix this up. And hopefully this will be it, cause I'm trying to get blue hair for tonight. Is it dark enough? This is like really irritating because I don't know. Like it's supposed to be like bone blue. bit more of this in here, mix it up some more, and then we're gonna put it in my hair because I think it's basically ready. I think this is a good enough color. I guess so. Okay, boom. Yeah, I think this will work. I'm gonna put this on my hair now. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in my hair. I guess. I really don't feel like it, but I'm scared what it's gonna do. Like, what if it like make my hair fall out? But then again, just eyeshadow, like, probably not. Take this off. Okay, and then I need to part my hair once I find a comb. So the first thing I'm going to do after I find the comb is to make myself a part. Wherever I want my parts to be, I want a side part, so that's what I'm doing. After I get the side part right, I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. And the 4 sections part, like, it don't really matter like if the part is precise or not. You can just finger part it with your fingers like I'm doing. So now I'm about to apply like the temporary color or whatever. I'm just like detangling it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put some gloves on because that blue stuff will be everywhere. So yeah, put some gloves on if you can. And then I just take the stuff and I just put it at the ends of my hair because I don't want my whole hair to be blue, just like the ends. So yeah, I just put it on the ends, and then I kind of like finger comb it through my hair. And then after it's good enough, I just plait it up. So I'm basically just doing the exact same thing that I did for the other section on this section. And I'm just gonna repeat for the other 2 sections as well. So I know you can see like how dusty the top part of my hair looks, but it'll kind of like all blend its way out at the end, I guess. So yeah. So now it's time to blow dry. You want to put your blow dryer on the coldest setting just to be safe, because you never know what can happen. So yeah, I put it on the coldest setting, and then I just unravel one of the sections and I start to blow dry it. But one of the things that I would have did differently was put gloves on during this part. I don't know why I took them off. Should have kept them on because my hands are going to be very blue. So after I got done one section, I just sectioned it off with like a rubber band, and I just put it on there once. I didn't twist it or anything. So yeah, you can see like how blue my hands are. It's not but too bad because, you know, like it's just eyeshadow and conditioner, so it does like wash right off, but I don't know, it's just not cute. I don't like it. Overall, blow drying my hair took me about like 30 to 45 minutes. It took way too long. I'm done with blow drying, so I'm just kind of like slicking down the front part to make it look more well put together. So I sprayed it with water and I took an edge brush. I'm gonna put some Gorilla Snot on the edge brush and kind of slick it down in the front areas. So now I'm just fluffing it out. I really like the color. I think it's, you know, cute. It's not like too much. Like it's not too blue because that would probably look crazy. So yeah, I think it's cute. One thing that I will say, if you do this for like a day and you just like wear your hair with temporary stuff on there, then try to keep your hands out your head because they will be blue. So you might want to get like a pick so you can fluff it out with a pick instead of using your hands because it's just a mess. And I will say that the blue here looks different than in the light. I'll put a picture up of it in the light right here. So I think this turned out pretty cute, you know. I don't know if this like work for straight hair because like it kind of make your hair, well, you can see my hair not stiff, but it kind of make like the curls like kind of crunchy. So if your hair was straight, it might make it stiff. I don't know, but yeah, my hair is blue. I always wanted my hair blue. Like, y'all don't even know, but this is not gonna last. I'm gonna have to wash this out later. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's pretty cute. I like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to pop that like button, tap the bell, comment, subscribe, share. Follow me on all social media, links down below, and I will see you in the next one. Oh yeah, and as you can see, the blue stuff basically came off my hands. All you gotta do is use soap. It come right off. And it kind of got back on here because I'm touching it. And that's one of the things when you touch it, like your hands get blue. So yeah, anyway, see you in the next one.
Kylie Jenner thick, you gotta feel me. Happy birthday, here's a Benz. Feel me? First, last name, rich. Feel me? Yeah, bitch, I'm shit. Feel me? We at the highest level, yeah, I know.